Kenya today, poultry farming is more than just keeping chickens. It's a lifeline for thousands of families, a source of food security, and a pathway to economic empowerment. At Agrigate Network Kenya Ltd, we are on a mission to transform this sector. Through farmer training, we empower poultry keepers with modern knowledge, from feed formulation, disease prevention, to efficient farm management. Our dedicated team of professional extension officers work with farmers on the ground, offering technical support, problem solving, and mentorship, ensuring no farmer is left behind. We go beyond training. We also create market linkages. Through our aggregate centers across the country, poultry farmers can now access and benefit from certified and professional extension services, quality feed ingredient, and many more. Our vision is clear: to promote sustainable development in Kenya by uplifting livelihoods, reducing poverty, and making poultry farming profitable for generations to come.